Hey, beautiful day today. This is Taylor from Truck World RVA. Have a 2015 Ram 3500 Cummins 4x4 crew cab, Stahl 3200 LRX crane on it. It's a electric over hydraulic, no PTO. Truck's got just over 170 on it. It's four-wheel drive. Really nice unit. Everything works as it should. It's got a Stahl service body. Like I said, it is a diesel. Obviously, you can hear that. Runs up and down the road great. Service and inspected. And the truck runs like a top. Needs absolutely nothing right now. Pretty good tread all around on the tires. Interior is pretty clean for a work truck. Exhaust brake, rubber floor mats. Body's in great shape. Truck came to us out of Texas, so no rust issues. All the boxes are solid. Camera does not come with the truck. Manual outriggers. This crane extends that far, and then it's got a manual extension as well that'll double that. Pretty quick operation. As you can see, everything runs out great on it. It's got a tow hitch. There's a shot of the boat here. If you have any questions, you can call or text 804-716-8487. We do have commercial financing available. And we can also assist with shipping. We need help with that. Again, let me know if you have any questions. I do have fabric on order for this. It's just delayed, but I will get a new seat cover in for the bottom of it. And that's that. Let me know if you need anything. Appreciate you watching.